in case if you want for reference. Okay. So on a map, a line 5 centimeter represents 2 meter. Construct a scale long enough to measure up to 5.3 meter. Show the distance of 3.2 meter and 1.6 meter. Taking the measurement from scale, construct a rectangle and draw a square equal in area to that rectangle. So what we have to do first, we have to draw scale. Then we have to mark these two distance 3.2 meter and 1.6 meter on it, and using this we have to draw a rectangle, and then we have to convert a rectangle to square. So what we will do first we will draw guideline. See, whenever you start scale, you should always draw guideline. So I will draw guideline first. See, so I have drawn multiple guidelines. This we have to do it in plain scale because it's only up till 1 decimal point. So what I will do first, see, first I will write text. First I will write given. This you have to write in capital, huh? Given. So what is given here? On a map, a line 5 centimeter represents 2 meter. So they haven't given RF over here, but we need to find out RF. So to find RF, we require drawing length and actual length. So I'm just checking on a map, a line 5 centimeter represents 2 meter. So the 5 centimeter is what we are drawing. Represents 2 meter is the actual thing. So we have to write drawing length. So if I'm writing drawing length over here, then it would be drawing length okay. So drawing length is equal to, how much is drawing length? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Got it? Represents 2 meter. So what is 2 meter? Actual length. So this is actual length. How much is actual length? 2 meter. So that is 2 meter is 200 centimeter. And we have long enough to measure up to 5.3 meter. So what is 5.3 meter? Maximum length. Long enough to measure up to 5.3 meter. So I will write maximum length what is maximum length bracket m dot l. What is maximum length? 5.3 meter. Now I won't take 5.3 meter. I won't be writing 5.3. See, if maximum length is 5.3 meter, so I will take 6 meter. Why? Because we always round off. We can't keep maximum length in fraction. Why? Because then this is according to our division of scale. Na? We divide scale according to maximum length. So if maximum length is in fraction, then it is not possible for us to divide into 5.3 parts. So we'll take 6 meter. Always round off. Even if it is 5.1, we will do 6. Always next higher digit. See, your drawing length is DL. Actual length ka short form is AL. Right? Now then we have a formula, representative fraction. Representative फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन का स्पेलिंग क्या होता है? हाँ, TICTION. R.F. So what is representative fraction? Drawing length upon actual length. So what is drawing length? 5 centimeter. What is actual length? 200. So our RF is how much? 5 upon 200, right? Then we have a formula, length of scale. Length of scale. How much is length of scale? LS is RF into ml. RF is how much? 5 upon 200. What is maximum length? We got maximum length 6 meter. That is 6 into 100 centimeter. So how much we got? 5 6 are 30 divided by 2, 15. So we got 15 centimeter. So what we need to do? We need to draw a rectangle. See, you draw a rectangle of 15 centimeter. Got it? This is 15 centimeter ka hai. And this will divide into how many parts? 6 part, because maximum length is how much? 5.3 meters. So it becomes 6. So what you need to do? You need to take this angle and you divide this into how many parts? 6 part. So here what I will suggest, you take 30-degree and you take 2 centimeter arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? And then you join 6 to this. And the height of this rectangle is 5 millimeter. I'm just giving you a rough idea. This is 5 millimeter and this is 15 centimeter. Okay. So just continue, I'll come back. Just do this. So see what we can do. Now we can draw uh, this parallel line. So we get 6 part. Got it? So this is how we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you take a scale, this is how we have to write METRE, meter. And you have to write centimeter over here. So you draw, sorry, decimeter. So you write decimeter over here. R dot S equals to 5 upon 200. This also we have to write. Got it? Then we'll divide the first block into how many parts? 10 parts. I'll just I'm just moving this down. Sorry. Now we'll divide the first block into how many parts? 12 parts. So we'll draw angle. We'll cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This angle is 60-degree or 45-degree, whatever you want. This angle is 30-degree. This is for your reference. And then you join 10 to O. And you draw a parallel line. See, this way. Then we'll draw a vertical line. See, this is 10. Got it? Now what all we have to mark? We have to mark 3.2 and 1.6. So how will you mark 3.2? So you take 3 from here and 1 and 2. You take from here. This is how you'll get 3.2. You take this distance. So this is 3.2 meter. Now you have to mark 1.6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take this distance. This is 1.6. This is 3.2. Got it? 1.6 meter. Then what I have to do? I have to draw a rectangle out of this. So I will take a eraser. I'll erase all this because I don't have place. I have to convert a rectangle into square. So first I'll draw a rectangle. Yeah, this much is fine. What I'll do? I will take line equals to this 3.2. So I will take 3.2 and I will draw 3.2 over here. Got it? Then I'll take 1.6. 1.6, let's say, is this much. So this is how you will draw rectangle first. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Once you have a rectangle, what we need to do? We need to draw a horizontal line from AB, right? And from B to
What's the
C,
length of AD?
length of AB is 3.2
AD.
meter. Yeah, I'll tell you. And length of AD is 1.6 meter
Okay, sir.
because we took 1.6 now. So we take this length and we cut it over here, vertical. So we draw rectangle. After that, from B you draw horizontal line, AB you draw horizontal line. Take B to C and rotate. You'll get E. Then you need to bisect A, E. When you bisect, you'll get a point that is O. Then what you have to do? Then you take O to A and you draw circle like this. Got it? Understood? This is how you will draw. And then you extend line from here. From B you extend this line. See, O to A you draw a circle, semicircle, and from B you extend the line. Wherever it will cut, that is point P, right? Now you take that distance. How much? B to P, and you cut here. Same way you draw vertical line and horizontal line from here. So you'll get a square. So this is what we need to do. And then we need to write this, that, wait, I'm erasing this. We need to write that area, this is BPQR, area of square BPQR equals to area of rectangle ABCD. This is what we need to write. Got it? So we are done with this sum. So now we have another sum where we have a diagonal, we have to draw a diagonal scale. RF is 1 upon 200, right? Maximum length is 32.5 meters. So how much we will take? We will take round off to 40 meters. Remember this. This is important. Because I said, na, from 2 to 10 you can take. Then from 11 to 19, if it is there, then we'll take 20. Same way, 21 to 29, we will take 30. So this is 31 to 39, we will take 40. That way it will go on till 100. Then again 100 to 200. Matlab, if you have from 101 to 199, we'll take 200. 201 to 299 will take till 300. So this is how we will take. So a representative fraction RF is 1 upon 200, right? What is maximum length? I'll write maximum length that is ml. You should write in capital. 40 meter. It is 32.5 meter. So we'll take 40 meter. So we'll keep this over here. RF is how much? 1 upon 200 into maximum length is 40 meter into 100. So this will give you 20 centimeter. Understood? So you all are with me, Hira and Alanya. Have you understood how
Yes, sir.
I got 20 centimeter? Okay. Now you draw 20 centimeter. Then you'll divide this into how many parts? 4 parts. So I'll draw angle
So
1,
20, how much?
20 centimeter beta. This is 20
So
centimeter.
20. Oh, like,
This is 50 millimeter,
okay, sir.
and this is 200 millimeter. I'm writing in millimeter so you don't get confused. We got 20 centimeters, that is 200 millimeter by 50 millimeter. Then you divide this into how many parts? 4 parts. See this. This way it will come. See, this way you'll divide into 4 parts. Then we'll divide the first block into 10 parts. I'm writing 0. Here I'll write 10, 20, 30 because it is 40 meter. Na? So meter, over here I will METRE meter. Here also we'll have meter. We'll divide the first block into 10 parts. So I'll take inclination. I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then join 10 to this. This is how it will come. Got it? Then what you have to do, then you don't have to take vertical line. I'm just showing you. You have to just mark all these points down. So I'm drawing vertical line because I can't use scale, set square on this, but you can use set square and you don't draw vertical line. You just mark the point down. That's it. See, you mark point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you do this. So up till now, any doubt? So we have divided this into 4 parts because it is 40 meter. Then divide the first block into 10 parts. Now what I can do, I can join this. I can join 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, like this. And we'll divide this into 10 parts, this height into 10 parts. So you people know, right? This much. 3. Since we have 5 centimeter, we'll take 5 millimeter. So it would be easier. 6, 7, this is 8, this is 9, 10. This is how it would be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what you need to do, this would be decimeter. Okay. This is RF, which is 1 upon 200. Done. So we are done with this sum. Now what we need to do, we need to mark all this distance. 14.5, 18.6, 32.5. So how will you mark all this distance? So if you want to mark all this distance, see, first we'll take 32.5. So we require 30, then we require 2, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here to here, see this, from here to here, it is 32.5. Understood? So AB is 32.5. Any doubt in this? In marking the distance, 30 series, 30, 1 to 32, and then go up by 5 because we want 32.5. So we want 30 meter, 2 meter, and 5 decimeter. So that's why I went up by 5. Now, same way, if I want to do 18.6, so 10, 8, 18, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is C and this is D. So this distance would be, see, this is 18.6 meter. Now how will you mark? 14.5. So 10, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here it will overlap. So I will just change the color. I will take black. Sorry. This black line is 14.5. That is EF. Understood? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay.